Hello student, today we are solving the exercise 3.1 as we have discussed the introduction part of this matrix. The first question is, you have given a matrix A, you have to find the order of the matrix, first part, and second part is total number of element, and the third part is you have to find the corresponding element. Just check the matrix A equals to 2, 5, 17, minus 7, 35, minus 2, 5 by 2, to have root 3, 1, minus 5 and 17. As I told you, order of matrix equals to number of row into number of column. Number of row is 1, 2 and 3. Number of row is 3 and number of column is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Number of column is 4. It means order will be 12. Right, and the second part is total number of element. As I told you, total number of element will be equals to order of matrix, and order of matrix is 12, so total number of element will be 12. And the third part is you have to find the corresponding element A13. A13 means A element first row and third column. First row, third column, first column, second column, third column. It means 19. A11, A12, A13, A14. A13 is 19. A21. A21 means this, that is 35. Second row, first column. 3, 3. Third row and third column. See, third row, this one. Third column, this and this. Third, minus 5. 2, 4 means second row, fourth column. Second row, fourth column, that is 12. A23, second row and third column, that is second row, third column is 5 by 2, right? And the second question is, if your matrix has if a matrix has 24 element, what will be the possible order of the matrix? See, total number of element is 24. So how we can find the 24 element? By multiplying two row and column. It is possible that first only one row will be there in 24 column. Total will be 24 element. See, one thing you have to be in your mind, total number means total element is 24, so multiplication of row and column will be 24. So 1 into 24, 2 into 12 means 2 row and 12 column, 3 row and 8 column, 4 row and 6 column, converse of it 6 row 4 column, 8 row converse of it 8 row 3 column, 12 row 2 column, converse of it may be possible, ये भी possible हो सकता है कि 24 row हो और एक column हो. It means these are the possible order of the matrix if a matrix has 24 element. Now the third question is, if matrix has 18 element, what will be the possible order? Just it's the same, the question number second. 1 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 into 6, 18 into 1, 9 into 2, 6 into 3. Okay, right? And the question number fourth is, we have to construct a matrix of 2 by 2, means the matrix in which 2 row and 2 column is there. And Aij you have given, first is Aij equals to I plus j whole square upon 2, and second is Aij equals to I upon j. We take the first part, that is first part is this one. So Aij equals to I plus j whole square upon 2. So 2 by 2 means 2 row and 2 column. So 2 row means this one and 2 column is this one. So element will be A11, A12, A21, A22. That is all. Total 4 element. So for A11 put I equals to 1 and j equals to 1, because this is the address of I and j. So I plus j 1 plus 1 whole square upon 2, that will be 2. A12 is I is 1 and j is 2. 1 plus 2 whole square, that is 3 whole square is 9 upon 2. And A21, this element A21 means 2 plus I is 2 and j is 1. 2 plus 1 whole square upon 2, that is 9 by 2. A22 means I is 2, j is 2. 2 plus 2 whole 4 square upon 2, that is 8. So we will have the matrix 2, 9 by 2, 9 by 2 and 8. So this will be the 2 by 2 matrix. And the second part is, you have to find the matrix of 2 by 2 if Aij equals to I upon j. Just the same, I upon j means I is 1, j is 1, a1 1 is 1 upon 1, that is 1. And second, a1 2, I is 1, j is 2, 1 by 2. 2 1, I is 2, j is 1, 2 by 1, that is 2. aij 2 2, 2 by 2, that is 1. That is all. Now see the question number 5th. This is same the question number 4. Construct a matrix of 3 by 4 if aij equals to 1 by 2, and that is mod of minus 3i plus j, right? First thing, construct a matrix of order 3 by 4. 3 into 4 means row is 3 and column is 4. Just one thing you have to be in your mind, row and column means 3 row. We have to construct 3 row, right? And aij is 1 by 2 mod of, mod means this 3i plus j mod. I think you should know about the mod. If any quantity is inside this modulus, then it will give positive, right? Suppose यहाँ इसके अंदर नेगेटिव भी होता है तो ये हमको पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट देता है जो भी इसके अंदर होता है. चाहे -5 आएगा तो मॉड करेंगे तो 5 आ जाएगा, -10 है तो इसका मॉड 10 हो जाएगा, राइट? सो कंस्ट्रक्टर मैट्रिक्स ऑफ 3 by 4. तो चलो, so first element will be a11. Put the value of I and j here. I is 1, j is 1, that will be 1. a12, I is 1, j is 2, that will be 1 by 2. a13, that will be 0. a14, 1 and 4, that will be 1 by 2. Now 2 1. See, we will not find a15. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारे पास we don't need 5th column, right? We are having only 4 column, that's why we are only 1 5. First row, 4th column. Now second row, first column. This is second row, first column. Second row, second column. Second row, third column. Second row, fourth column. This one. I equals to 3, j equals to 1. Put the value here. We will get 4. 3 2. I is 3 and j is 2. That will be this one. 3 3. We will get 3. Last 3 4, that will be 5 by 2. So our matrix will be 3 by 4, means 3 row and 4 column, right? Now see the 6th question. Find x, y and z. Find x, y and z if a equals to this one. So two matrix will be if two matrix will be equal, this is the case when if and only if their corresponding element will be equal. It means if two matrix is equal, then their corresponding element will be equal, right? a11 will be equals to a11, a12 will be equals to a12, 21 21, 22 22. It means we compare this, if we compare this one, so we will get y equals to 4, right? This part we have solved. Two matrices will be equal if and only if their corresponding element are equal. So a11 is y equals to 4, z equals to 3 and x equals to 1, right? And the second part is this one, x plus y 2, 5 plus z xy equals to 6 to 5. Comparing this, x plus y equals to 6 and 5 plus z equals to 5 and xy equals to 8. If we put the value, if we compare this one, x plus y equals to 6, 5 plus z equals to 5 and xy equals to 8, it will give us x equals to 8 upon y. So we will put this value here. We will find the quadratic equation. So by solving this, x equals to 2 and y equals to 4. So y we will get two solution, because this will be quadratic equation, right? So x will be 4 and y equals to 2 and z will be only one value of z, right? The third part you can solve it. Just compare it, x plus y plus z equals to 9, x plus this, just compare it, subtract these two equations, you will get x plus y, right? So you can solve. Next is question number 7. A minus b 2a plus c, this Again the same question, by comparing these two corresponding element of this matrix, you can find the value of a and b, right? So do it by yourself. Question number 8, a equals to aij m into n is a square matrix. You have to find the, you have to tell this will be a square matrix, what will be the case, किस केस में ये square matrix होगा. See, first of all you should know about the square matrix. What is square matrix? Square matrix, as matrix is called a square matrix if the matrix has the number of row and number of column is equal. अगर किसी मैट्रिक्स में नंबर ऑफ रो और नंबर ऑफ कॉलम इक्वल हो जाए तो उसको स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स कहते हैं, राइट. सो ए आई जे एम इंटू एन इज स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स. कब? जब ये देखिए, जब इसमें नंबर ऑफ रो और नंबर ऑफ कॉलम इक्वल हो जाए, मीन्स अगर एम और एन दोनों इक्वल हो जाए दैट विल बी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स. सो एम इक्वल्स टू एन, राइट. Question 9, see which value of x and y given the matrix will be equal. The same previous same as the previous question, we have to compare this and we have to find the value. You just check it out what we have done. Comparing x plus 3x plus 7 equals to 0, and again we are having 2 minus 3 2 minus 3x equals to 4. By comparing this we will find the x value, two value of x, but it's a MCQ question, so it will not possible, right? If the last question that is important, the number of all possible matrix of order 3 into 3 what with entry 0 or 1 is the number of all possible matrix of order. Means हम कितने possible matrix order मैट्रिक्स बन सकते हैं ऑफ ऑर्डर 3/3 अगर हमारे पास 0 और 1 दो ही नंबर हो, राइट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑर्डर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स इज 3 into 3, दैट इज 9. So total number of elements will be 9. Is it okay? Fine. Now we are having only two entry, 0 and 1. So we can टोटल नंबर ऑफ परम्यूटेशन फॉर ईच एलिमेंट. एक जगह पे हमारे पास कितने पॉसिबल परम्यूटेशन हो सकते हैं, या तो 0 हो सकता है या तो 1 हो सकता है. इट मीन्स 2, 1 2 मीन्स इन दोनों को तो फिल कर सकते हैं, राइट. और टोटल नंबर ऑफ परम्यूटेशन फॉर 9 एलिमेंट, हम टोटल 9 है हमारे पास, कितना हो जाएगा 2 की पावर 9, 2 की पावर 9. सो दैट विल बी 2 की पावर 9 इज 5 1 2. सो योर आई होप this the D part, so D part will be right. I hope you understand. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.